Morning folks. Yeah, I was cutting these actually the handle railings. After you cut them, clean them up, you should paint inside it. You put some kind of treatment in there, keep the wood, because that's fresh wood you cut into. You don't want no bugs or any stuff to get into it, so you want to do that like that. Make sure you treat that on the inside after you clean cut them. So give that a few minutes to dry, and then we can start putting it together. This project took about a week. This is the last day on this project. I actually did it myself, so no help like that. I did not know help. Wanted to see if I could do it, how long would it take. The deck is, I added on an extension of 3 feet, so the deck is 18 feet now. This is the beam, but finally put some treatment on the beams, make sure that they straight. Yep, coming there, almost down. It's the last day of this project. God willing, the strength, I should be able to finish it, get it over and done with. But you must do this. This is good. Thing inside there, in the grooves that you cut into the wood. Put a little stop on that too, that fresh cut. Now they're going to skim this deck, they're going to sand this, and then they're going to put some other clear treatment on it. So doing that will help them with all of this work, what I doing. But this, I putting in there, they won't be able to do nothing with this once I brace this on the deck. So if I do it now, I'll protect it in the long run. I did the same thing with all the pieces over here. I paint each one of the inside where I cut the wood for the handle. The beams to hold up the railing, cut all of them. So I advise you to do the same thing. It's good to cut in these areas and paint the same spots too. Anyway, we out. Next project, God willing.